Alright, let's talk about the new Vivo X300 and X300 Pro. After Xiaomi's 17 series dominated the news for 2 solid weeks, Vivo has finally entered the ring. And let me tell you, these phones feel like genuine upgrades with absolutely no sneaky downgrades. It's all about refinement this year. Let's start with the standard X300. Vivo kept that clean. Minimalist design we liked, but made it even better. They've tightened everything up, making it smaller at 6.3 inches, noticeably thinner and lighter in the hand. The biggest change you'll see is the camera module. It's now much smoother and blends seamlessly into the back panel. Remember that cookie on top look from before? Gone. It's a much more elegant and integrated design. If you go for the pink model, you even get this really stylish, colorful ring around the cameras, which adds a nice pop of personality. Finally, USB 3.2 has made its way to the standard model, which is a big win for data transfer speeds. The only thing missing is the action button. That's still an exclusive feature for the Pro model. Speaking of the X300 Pro, on the outside, it looks almost identical to its predecessor, but the real magic happens when you turn it on. It now features a stunning flat-bow display with incredibly thin, uniform bezels all around. It's a truly immersive experience. Vivo has also upgraded the fingerprint sensor to an ultrasonic one, which should be faster and more reliable. Both the X300 and the Pro are using BOE's latest and greatest panels, but the Pro model gets a slightly larger and superior screen, as you'd expect. It's all about those premium touches. Now, let's talk cameras, because this is where Vivo always shines. The standard X300 gets a massive bump to a 200 megapixel main sensor. It also gets a sharper 50mm portrait lens, and what is arguably one of the strongest telephoto lenses in its class for a non-Pro model. The X300 Pro, of course, takes it a step further. It's now equipped with Sony's brand new IMX A 2.8 sensor and a completely new telephoto setup. And for the real photography enthusiasts, the Pro now officially supports external telephoto lenses, which opens up a whole new world of creative possibilities. Under the hood, both phones are absolute beasts. They're powered by MediaTek's latest flagship, the Dimensity 9500. This chip is a monster, breaking an incredible 4 million points on Antutu. So, for performance, you are set for years to come. There is one small trade-off though, and that's battery life. The X300 comes with a 6000 mAh battery, and the Pro is similar. That's a solid capacity, but it does fall a bit short of Xiaomi's massive 7000 mAh battery. However, you still get super fast 90 West wired charging and a convenient 40 West wireless charging option. So, topping up is never a problem. So, what's the big takeaway? Vivo didn't try to reinvent the wheel with the X300 series. Instead, they focused on meaningful refinements. They took what was already great and made it better across the board, without cutting corners or introducing frustrating downgrades. The X300 series proves that thoughtful evolution is sometimes more impressive than a complete revolution. They've managed to stay ahead of the curve by simply improving on a winning formula. What do you guys think of the new Vivo lineup? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, a like would be amazing. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We've got a hands-on with the new Oppo FX9 coming up very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.